This video consists of different practical sessions that are conducted during the new forklift drivers training. The first session is focused on two things. The first one is to show the driver how to get on off the track in a safe manner by using the 3 points of contact. The second thing is to show how to operate the hydraulic control levers functions in raising, lowering, and tilting the forks. As we see now, he raised the fork to the maximum height, which is 4.5 meters, and now starting lowering it. The last thing is to keep the forks back to the parking position and to get off safely from the track. In the second session, the training focused on giving the driver, she or he, the chance to drive around with the track to get used to it, driving forward and in reverse, turning around, testing the brake, trying to understand that when steering the wheel, the rear wheels moves, unlike the normal vehicle, which is when steering it, the front wheels moves. So all this will keep the driver happy, get more confidence with the forklift from the beginning. After finishing from the driving around session, we will move to the next one. The next one is called the figure of 8. It is mainly focused on improving the trainee driving skills and steering wheels control. As it is shown in the video, the trainee is driving between two cones, making the shape of figure of 8 as he goes through. This exercise is very good for improving the driving skills of the forklift operator.